The Botanist is a unique project in the center of Prague, where we are transforming historical building into a park hotel. We were looking for a solution to put graphic on the wall. This historical building is almost 800 years old, which comes with certain challenges. One conventional option was wallpaper solution. However, for such a large-scale graphic, it was very challenging to achieve the coherent effect of the whole illustration. We decided that this is not the way for such a premium product. I learned about wallPen technology from the architecture studio we are cooperating with and from our project manager. This technology can handle imperfections of the surface while maintaining very high quality.
My name is Bara and I'm artist specialized for commercial illustrations. Typically, I'm creating my illustrations for small sizes. So it has been a long time dream of mine to make a mural, but I always felt limited by my art style and the fact that all of my artworks are made digitally. So I was pretty happy to find this technology, wallPen, in my illustrations for this hotel. I'm blending elements of people and fragments of their faces with botanical motifs and some playful twists of Prague delights. So you can find their little details. For example, like a dancing house in the shape of an ice cream cone, or a butterfly with leaf-shaped wings, and many, many others.
And the final application looks more like a mural art than regular wallpaper. It requires much less time to apply compared to regular painting. It definitely costs less money, and it also provides you with a, let's say, unified quality of the illustration across all apartments.
My name is Michal Radek. I'm founder of the wallink vertical printing company. We were actually very first customer of wallPen E2. We are operating all around the Czech Republic, also in Poland, Germany, Netherlands, Slovakia. Just this year it was more than 2,500 meters. We have many regular customers. We have some galleries which are calling us every single month. They really appreciate this technology because there's no limitation for designer.
Anytime I'm printing my artworks for canvas or papers, I really need to search carefully for a printer who made it in really high quality. And when I see first time this mural art with my illustrations, I was like, oh, wow, because all of the colors were pretty radiant and the print is very quality, and it was very awesome to see the illustration in this large format. It was completely something different than the visualization of architects. So I was really, really happy.
This is probably our largest project so far. 55 rooms, each design is very different walls, different dimensions, so it's definitely also my most difficult one, so I will definitely remember it. We are operating 2 printers, even if the wallPen is a very powerful machine, and the speed of the print can vary from, let's say, 2 square meter up to 6 square meter per hour. Some of the projects, like for example this one, there are many other contractors, and you need to be quick enough so they can do their jobs. And of course, I'm not saying I'm a double fast, but we are definitely quicker with the 2 printers. Think out of the box is very important. You can do all the time small projects and you'll feel comfortable. Nothing will surprise you, but you will also not be learning from your mistakes, which project like this is definitely offering this.
We are very satisfied with wallPen technology, and I am sure that we will use this solution even for future projects of BHM or others living as operator of apart hotels.